Most people, when thinking about car insurance, think about if I caused the crash. What people don't always think about is UM or UIM coverage, which is uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist coverage. We all expect, and I have heard it many times when people call me after being a car accident, that if someone else hits you, you fully expect, I didn't do anything wrong, this other person's insurance will take care of me. Unfortunately, that's not often the case. What I want you to do is to expect that the person who hits you has minimum limits. In Virginia, minimum limits of coverage are $25,000 per person, $50,000 per crash. $25,000 may sound like a lot, but when you've actually been in a car accident, it is not enough. It's not enough to cover you for minor injuries, and it's certainly not enough to cover you for catastrophic injuries. Think to yourself, is $25,000 enough to cover me and the 3 children behind me? Is that enough to cover me and my husband? Is that enough to cover not only physical injuries, but any potential lost wages? And if you have minimum limits, the answer to that is going to be no. So work with your insurance company, make sure that you have enough coverage, not only if you are the person causing the crash, but if you are the victim of someone else hitting you. We really do a really good job at finding coverage. Not all attorneys will do that. They may simply look at the base value of your policy and the other driver. But the attorneys here go beyond that, and we try to ask you as many questions and find as many available sources of coverage as possible. When you're catastrophically injured, there's traditionally not enough coverage. If you have lost your teenage son or daughter in a car accident, there is never enough coverage. So we will work with you to make sure that we maximize the insurance recovery that's available to you and to your family. That's what we do, and we do it well.